Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently on your iPhone. If you want to learn this step-by-step process, make sure to watch until the end. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Keep in mind that the Shorts feature is built into the app, so there isn't a direct way to turn it off completely. However, I'll share a useful workaround with you. Start by tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, select General and look for the option called Playback and Feeds. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you find it, turn that option off. Next, whenever you come across YouTube Shorts, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the short and select Not Interested. Do this for any shorts you encounter, and YouTube will learn your preferences, reducing the chances of shorts being recommended to you in the future. And that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.